If you are looking for a professional video editor, two of the biggest names you will come across are Davinci Resolve and Final Cut Pro. Both are powerful tools used by content creators, filmmakers, and professionals, but they target slightly different users. In this video, we will compare Davinci Resolve and Final Cut Pro based on features, performance, ease of use, pricing, and who each editor is best for. And for now, let's get started. What is Davinci Resolve? Davinci Resolve is a professional video editing software developed by Blackmagic Design. It is known for its industry-leading color grading tools and includes video editing, visual effects, motion graphics, and audio production in one application. One of its biggest advantages is that it offers a very capable free version. What is Final Cut Pro? Final Cut Pro is Apple's professional video editing software designed exclusively for Mac OS. It is widely used by YouTubers, content creators, and video professionals who work within the Apple ecosystem. Final Cut Pro is known for its smooth performance, user-friendly interface, and fast rendering speeds on Mac devices. Ease of use. When it comes to learning the software, Final Cut Pro has the advantage. Its interface is clean, intuitive, and beginner-friendly. New users usually start editing videos quickly without spending much time learning advanced workflows. DaVinci Resolve has a steeper learning curve. While the editing tools are excellent, the software includes many professional features that can feel overwhelming for beginners. If you are new to video editing, Final Cut Pro is generally easier to learn. Editing features. Both platforms offer professional editing tools including multi-track editing, transitions and effects, audio editing, motion graphics support, color correction. However, DaVinci Resolve provides a more complete production suite. It combines editing, advanced color grading, visual effects through Fusion, and professional audio tools through Fairlight. For users who need an all-in-one production environment, DaVinci Resolve has the edge. Color grading. This is where DaVinci Resolve stands out. Resolve is considered one of the best color grading tools in the industry and is used in many professional film and television productions. Final Cut Pro offers solid color correction features, but they aren't as advanced or comprehensive as Resolve's color tools. If color grading is a major part of your workflow, DaVinci Resolve is the clear winner. Performance. Performance depends heavily on your hardware. Final Cut Pro is optimized especially for Apple Silicon Macs, which allows it to deliver excellent playback, fast exports, and efficient use of system resources. DaVinci Resolve also performs very well, especially on powerful systems, but Final Cut Pro often feels faster and smoother on Mac devices. Mac users who prioritize speed may prefer Final Cut Pro. Pricing. DaVinci Resolve offers one of the best free plans available in video editing. Most creators can use the free version without major limitations. There is also a paid studio version with advanced features. Final Cut Pro doesn't have a free version. It requires a one-time purchase, although Apple provides a free trial before buying. For value and accessibility, DaVinci Resolve wins this category. Pros and cons. DaVinci Resolve Pros. Powerful free version, industry-leading color grading, built-in visual effects and audio tools, suitable for professional productions. DaVinci Resolve Cons. Steeper learning curve, can be demanding on hardware, more complex for beginners. Final Cut Pro. Pros. Easy to learn, excellent performance on Mac, fast rendering and exports, clean and efficient workflow. Final Cut Pro Cons. Mac-only software, no free version, less advanced color grading tools. Which one should you choose? Choose DaVinci Resolve if you want a powerful free editor, color grading is important to you, if you need editing effects and audio tools in one platform, and if you are willing to spend time learning advanced features. Choose Final Cut Pro if you use a Mac, if you want a faster and simpler editing experience, if ease of use is a priority, if you create content regularly and value workflow efficiency. Final verdict and conclusion. Both DaVinci Resolve and Final Cut Pro are excellent video editors, but they serve different audiences. DaVinci Resolve offers more professional grade tools and the best free option on the market, making it ideal for creators who want maximum flexibility. Final Cut Pro focuses on speed, simplicity, and seamless Mac integration, making it a fantastic choice for Apple users who want an efficient editing workflow. Ultimately, if you are on a Mac and value ease of use, Final Cut Pro is a great pick. If you want advanced features and incredible value, DaVinci Resolve is hard to beat. And that's all for today's video. If you found it helpful and useful, please consider like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share the video to your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.